of all the ages, but I'm very much interested in the over 50s. Why? Because I'm talking of people who resonate with the way I think and the way I see things. And on this channel, skincare. Why skincare? I believe that every person with skin should look good, should take care of your skin. It is a window, because God gave us a window. This one here, it's a window. And the way we dress up, the way we do things, didn't just create a nobody. God created us knowing and fearfully made. So we need to look after ourselves and look after our skin. So I've got some tips for those women who are worried about their skin, worried about how to take care of their skin, and looking into the market as well. The skincare market, or the beauty industry, is quite huge. And being huge, it has got a lot of products as well. So you need to know, if you are buying a product, you need to know that you are going to have everything in it. So like this product that I'm doing here, which is the Artistry, it is a product which has got almost all the products that you would want to get your hands on into this Artistry product. So as I was teaching today, I'm teaching you about the Dermasonic, which is the machine which takes care of your skin. This is the Dermasonic, and it's a small little, tiny little thing, but this has got to be charged. So you put it onto a charger when you buy it at first, and then when it turns, the light turns green here, it means that it's fully charged. So you take it off, and then you can start using it. And how do you start using this Dermasonic machine? The Dermasonic is for taking care of your dry skin. So it peels off the dry skin. Sometimes you see people using things like midi meals. Sometimes all of the products on the market, there are quite a lot there, and I'll go through quite a lot of the Artistry as well. So a lot of people use a lot of things, but I am very much acquainted to the Artistry, and which is the Dermasonic, which is this machine. So I'm going to take you through it. I've got the 3 heads here, which is this one, which is the one that clears the skin, the eye attachment, and the one that seals the product. You can see there are 3 of them, and they all will fit in onto the Dermasonic itself. And before I go any further, like today, I'm not going to take a lot of things or take a lot of products with me, because I'm going to go through the series. So this is my dry disposable towel, because this is my face, right? So it needs something which is soft and unique to my face, and with no chemicals on it. So this is very dry, and no chemicals on it. It's a disposable one, so I can use it once and then throw it into the bin. So here we go. Let's start. I'm going to put on the Dermasonic head, which is this one today. For today, I hope I'll do you a favor and to show you how you need to, when you use a Dermasonic, your face should be wet. So you just tap a bit of water on it, and then switch on the Dermasonic. And you can hear it is on now, and it is you can see the light is going green, right? So you start clearing your face, and you can see, if you can see that. Remember, as I said, the head is not sharp. It's a blunt silver head, which you can just clear and wash and keep it safe into its box. And remember to take care of your eyes as well, so that you don't push this Dermasonic blade into your eyes. That would be disaster. But this is how you clear your skin. So as we do that, we go up and clear. You know, with women, we've got a lot of work that we do, and so sometimes you never realize how your skin is behaving if you take a long time without checking and also taking care of it. So this is what you do. You don't have to push a lot, and it's not even something that you can push hard. Just do like this. There we go. And it has stopped. So that means that session was supposed to be done quickly. I can just push it on again, and then I can have, do you know, I also worry about this beard thing. I've got a lot of beards that comes out on my face, and it bothers me. Okay. So I soak this towel inside here, and then take the skin off, the peeled skin off. And I have to make I should have done my neck as well. You can also do your neck, but this is what you do. So you can see my towel is also dirty because my skin peels off, and then the dry skin is left on the Dermasonic blade, which is this one, and you just have to clear it and use a bit of your cleanser to take care of the blade here. And the next thing is I will have to use a cleanser, but I can feel my skin really nice and feels really clean. And the next thing is after using the blade, now I'm going to go on to cleanser, which is this one. With me today, I'm using the Renewing Foaming Cleanser. This cleanser, I tell you what, it is a foam gel, which you can actually put into your hands like that, just a pea, just that. That's enough. And then into my water here, and then onto my hands. There we go. So it forms. And remember, when you cleanse your face, this is how you cleanse your face. It smells, it smells really nice. And this is how you cleanse your face. Remember, you have to go up and then sideways, go up, because of these wrinkles here, you know, and here as well. You have to rub them in, and remember, when you rub in with your hands,